Dear viewers, we are going to show a brief documentary on a smoking device called hookah. Smoking device hookah is not only a smoking tool but an cultural sign of Punjab province in Pakistan and India. It has been used for many centuries in this area of subcontinent. This is integral part of groceries, the major profession of the people of this agricultural land area comprising on 200 million people is agri farming and dairy farming. Majority of the individuals keep this device with them even when they are doing their work in the fields. Every individual has his own portable device for smoking. The people you are watching are sitting on a death ceremony. They have gathered to condole the hearers of the deceased. The biggest sign of this culture is the get together on daily basis. Particularly, this is the culture of the villagers, and this device plays the magnetic like attraction as most of the individuals prepare this social smoking device and keep it at their deras. Dera is place where every person has access to pass his leisure time. At this place, hookah is available for smoking and it is for free. As you are watching, at all kinds of ceremonies, this device is the integral part of menu and venue. In other words, this is served as the integral dish. Now you can see the man has started the procedure of preparing it. First of all, he is replacing its water on a hand pump, on a water hand pump. How it is prepared for smoking, this is our video. After replacing the water of this device, now it can be seen the man is grinding tobacco with his hands, and near it can also be seen a dump of indigenous sugar. He will, after grinding it, he will put this tobacco, grind tobacco, in the pot that is called chilm. The second person can be seen replacing its old burnt tobacco from this chilm. And you can also see the woods ready for burnt. This video has been made going in a village. Again, the person can be seen grinding tobacco with his hands. After it, he will put this tobacco mixing with the sugar dump in the chilm. It is for information that the people who use this device for smoking do not use cigarettes as smoking. The woods can be seen in the process of burning. This process will produce coals that will be put in the chilm. Now, screen can show you this process. These coals are being inserted in this chilm. The coals are put after separating ash. These coals will work almost for the next 24 hours. Now it's ready to be used. Now many people are enjoying this device while passing their leisure time. Gossipings run along with smoking frequently by 10 to 11 p.m. at night times. The gossipings and discussions are on current affairs, local affairs, and national current affairs. The aged people of the society almost past their time, as you can see at such diras. This is the best way to get together. All the people pass their leisure times while sitting in the company of their neighbors, of their friends, of their relatives, enjoying this device and now it can be seen on the screen the people, they are also discussing, they are gossiping along with the watching of TV. Subscribe our channel to see such more documentaries that reflect the different cultures of the world. Thank you for watching our channel.